Why did British people leave India? Today, we are diving into a pivotal moment in history, the departure of British colonial powers from India. What led to this significant transition? Let's explore the factors that contributed to the British withdrawal from India. The British East India Company established control over India in the 18th century, but by the 19th century, the British Raj was in full effect. This colonial period was marked by economic exploitation, cultural changes, and significant resistance. By the early 20th century, growing discontent among Indians began to surface. The impact of World War I and II drastically altered the political landscape. World War II was a turning point. India contributed massively to the British war effort, but the aftermath brought economic turmoil. The British economy was shattered, making it increasingly difficult to maintain control over India. Post-war, the Indian National Congress and other groups intensified their demand for independence, leading to widespread protests and civil disobedience. The Quit India movement in 1942 was a significant moment, demonstrating the urgency of Indian independence. British authorities responded with repression, but the movement only strengthened the resolve of the Indian people. Globally, the tide was shifting. The post-war world saw a surge in decolonization. Pressure from the international community and changing attitudes within Britain made the costs of maintaining the empire increasingly untenable. The Labour Party's victory in 1945 brought a shift in policy. Many leaders recognized that maintaining control over India was not only expensive but also morally indefensible. By 1947, the British decided to partition India into two independent nations, India and Pakistan. This decision, driven by political and communal tensions, led to mass migrations and significant violence. The last British troops left India on 15 August 1947. This marked the end of nearly 200 years of British rule and the dawn of a new era for India. The departure of the British was a complex interplay of economic, political, and social factors. It wasn't just about the end of colonial rule, it was about the birth of a nation and the resilience of its people. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What aspects of India's independence interest you the most?